There it is, the parrot. It looks like a block.
It's 2D.
Good monies.
Yeah, monies are money.
It
I
looks
give you a 50?
hideous.
I have no idea what you gave it.
$6.
It's $6 to get in. Great. Rip off! You better be worth going. I have no idea. I'm talking to myself, but it's okay. It's only me. We're going to go down here. I guess into
You.
I'm not going close to that thing because I'm scared. Hey, hey. We're at Parrot Jungle. Not monkey, we're at Parrot. This one seems better than Monkey Jungle. Don't you agree, Kevin? Kevin, don't you agree?
What?
This looks better than Monkey Jungle?
Yes.
Good. Well, Monkey Jungle just had a pair of monkeys. This one has a pair of parrots.
And a pair of asses.
Hey, I touched one of those parrots in the store. Huh? I never touched a parrot before. Look, here, our first glance at parrots. Well, oh, there we go. Who are you? Who are you? Fine, you don't want to talk? I don't want to talk to you. How about you? You. I see you. Or how about you? You. I know you. I am your father. Dun-it. Dun-it. That one's actually freaking me out. Actually, no, that one's freaking me out. He's giving me the eye.
Character's getting peanuts.
Powiedz mi, wzięliśmy czy nie? Od aparatu.
Go listen. Listen.
Stop. Lovely scenery.
Here we have parakeets. Alright.
So ugly too. Look over there. They are different, right? Yeah. And I saw those places. Where's David?
I should know all the seeds were Congo, but
Oh, wait a minute, that's the one there.
Which one?
This one here in the spot. So weird. I think it's from another planet. Wait.
Mom, stay on.
It's an alien!
Hey, Lucy, look at the one there.
What about that yellow one up there? See how beautiful he is?
Hey, look at those little birds.
That one's by himself.
Those little fishing
Hey, man.
You know, they do it this way. One of them has to
Keep
be,
it
oh, no, it's
PG.
the other one that's up.
PG, please. Yeah, A.
He wants to be petted.
That one is kind of nice.
His head is gone. Well, these are only for plants.
Yeah, this is okay. Okay.
Amen.
Amen.
PG.
Amen.
I told those birds to keep it PG because they were doing something nasty.
Oh, shut up.
They didn't listen to me. They kept on going. They stopped for a while, then they looked at me and kept on going.
Shut up. They're like saying, shut up.
I know. Shut up. Shut up! They're here too. What's on this side, Simon?
A turtle.
Okay.
What's on the other side? 5 alligators.
I know, I just saw.
Some that went.
Oh, hold on.
This guy's just sleeping.
That one's ready to attack. Today in the crocodile hunter. See nasty crocs. I'm going to see nasty crocs.
It's like the size of your
I saw what there it is.
building.
He's moving, baby. Look at him moving. He's sneaking. Move. Watch this. This is great footage. Where is he? There he is.
Yeah, I was just kidding.
Is that him? Oh damn! He just. He's doing good. You could have been the star, man. You could have been the star. You just failed. But you still have a chance.
Oh, that's the way they are. Look at that one. That one is really ready to leave, eh?
What's in your we found?
The older ones were easier to over than the younger ones.
Alec. Yeah,
Is he trying to attack us?
You want to throw back at?
Don't do that. Don't do that, son.
I did.
You're just teasing. You think he'll jump? Come on.
He's moved it. I didn't do anything.
You did. Now he's coming to eat you.
Yeah, how?
He's smelling the knee.
What is this thing doing? Dad, if I were you, I'll get out of here.
Oh, he's
Look, he has enough room to put his beak in here. Beak.
It's called his mouth, dude. He doesn't have a beak. He can't attack us, dude. He's so lazy. Huh?
I think he's thinking he's gonna come slowly.
What do you think? He can slowly attack it. Hey, Dad. Don't smoke.
Where's Mom?
I don't know. But why did you spit it?
Let's go. He's in that guy's shell.
It's not in his song.
No, it's in.
Power shell on his stomach.
This is not real. This is not real. This is hot stuff and drums.
Oh, I see what
They wouldn't leave it in here if it's dead, Dad.
You sure?
Very
Maybe
sure.
it's just made of plastic.
Hey, alright.
Should I try?
No.
He has little duck buttons. Mexico.
Oh, I fell. He...
Welcome.
Yeah. No. He pooped everywhere, Ma. Ew, that's
Don't
disgusting.
you have any more food?
Yeah, I got a lot more food. I don't want him to bite me. I push it closer. Ah! I'm sorry.
Give him another one.
Simon's
go.
trying to feed
Here.
it. Did Simon fail?
It's right there. Come on, you can eat it. Oh, there you go. You
Did he eat it?
Mom, stop. Taking pictures all the time. Well, I have to be in this movie sometime. Let's go watch a show.
This is big, right?
His face is bigger than my hand. Oh.
Alright, who wants to wrestle it?
Call it Ace Ventura.
They don't give the poor guy very much room, do they?
That's about what, 12 feet?
Look at all the fish.
I'm guessing that's crocodile.
Oh, he's a baby.
Okay, baby.
On both sides, while the alligator. No, you didn't.
You can't beat me. I beat you here.
So what does this say? See, these are crocodiles. I knew they were. You see the snout? It's different. He has a star on the nose. So he's filming a little bit. He's not sure. I think he's gonna hit the glass.
See,
He's gonna turn around.
Well, it does look like he did it before.
Kevin, can you just look at Daddy for me? Oh, I mean, they're bad. They're all.
You see how the teeth come out from each side of the mouth?
He's gonna eat you.
He could, if he could.
Okay, Simon, go back to looking at them.
I'm not looking at him.
He broke some teeth. Probably was trying to eat
He's
something.
looking at us.
He was trying to eat something hard and he broke his teeth. I see his eye. You see his eye?
His eyes open too.
I know, I'm scared of this guy.
Care about it.
Ace Ventura will battle this crocodile from up there. Where those kids are. I don't even know who they are. But they're going to battle this crocodile.
Okay, boys, can you just look at me for a minute?
No!
Please?
Oh, it's sleeping.
Oh, I see.
Go get mom and everyone. Look, there's
I see his head. His head's right there.
Don't bang it.
I'm not banging it hard. I'm just pointing at it. You see its head? It's underneath that leaf.
Yes, I see it.
Okay.
I feel sorry for this little guy. I feel sorry for you. You know why? Because you have to be with him. I know. You're so scared. You're going to die.
No, here. It's not the show. No, it's
You know what this is, son? This is not fish.
This is the crocodile.
This is where the big guy, the big crocodile comes down and swims. It looks like he doesn't want to today. But let's see what it has to say about it. And that one's for the little one. No, it says crocodile. Yeah. I think the big one should get this view.
No, because there's
Yeah,
many of them.
but it looks bigger. So. How is he gonna fit in that one?
How many feet? It's only 20 feet long.
Watch it, I'm still filming. Oh, there he is.
There's two of them.
He has a small head.
There's two of them.
How come you
there.
didn't see the tortoise, David?
I did see the turtle.
I think there's two of them.
Simon, how do you know if I didn't see the turtle?
Where's the turtle?
It's with the snake.
Damn, I did see it.
Where's the other one?
Turtle. We're going to be watching a show now. No cameras are allowed, unfortunately. You can leave that. So, we're gonna have to stop for a while. Sorry. Hey, you.
They don't have one of these there. What? You're sure these are not the snapping things?
No, they don't have a snapping
They
mouth.
don't have a tail.
And they don't have the mouth. Actually, yes, they do have the tail.
Where?
I'm recording ones.
No, that's a foot.
No, that's a tail.
Oh, it's a little tail.
Sammy, get in front of me. Simão. We're gonna see another show, Simão. Maybe this one will let us, hey. Maybe this one will let us,
Recording?
yeah. Maybe this place will let us, record. But we're gonna tape anyways, because the other one was so incredible that... Sorry.
Just say sorry to me.
Let's just hope this one's safe.
Yeah, that's what happened. Got moving. We got
I leave that there for you. You know why?
Okay, can the three of you turn?
I've seen them before.
Eat the food. Ah, good fishies.
No.
I don't think they're supposed to eat that.
You're an idiot.
Okay, can you smile? Are the points and everywhere?
Sorry.
I don't know what's going.
Oh my goodness, look at those fishes, Dad.
Oh, the fishing, those are the ones you keep catch. Yeah, they like that big one.
Pirate, Chelsea. Pirate.
How can I help you? Hey, don't look at me like that.
Here. Oh, you have it. Why did you feed it? You're scared.
He's done.
You're too short. That's it, Dad. You can see this guy.
That red.
Hey.
Hey, say hello. No, not you. You say hello.
Ah, you said hello.
How about you?
They all say
hello. Yo, hello. Hello.
Here, give me food.
What? You're not gonna say hello? Fine, go away.
You want him to say hello?
Hello. Hello.